Hello Red Rod Bikes. I thought I'd take you to a little journey through my very improvised campground workshop. So as you can hear and see, it's raining again, and I'm heading from my awning where I usually store all my tools and supplies and parts of the project. We head over to my little workshop over there. This is my workshop. It is a huge mess as always when I'm done working, so it will need a serious cleanup before I leave the campground today. So here sits the trike, and as you can see, lights are built in, electronics are built in. It's all wired. I'm not yet really happy with how the wiring looks. I might need to do something about that. Too many zip ties. And here we are, right underneath. Let me hit the main switch. And now up here, switch for the main lights. It also starts the on the floor lighting from some leftover LED strips. And on the other side we have turn signal right and obviously turn signal left, and middle turn signal off. And so here the lights are off again, and the whole system goes off. I still need to work on the horns and the siren. I'm running out of cables and supplies. Also the LED bulb, which was built into the front light, decided to die today after kind of 3 or 4 years now. So that's where I am. Still a lot more to do. So that was my little tour around the trike and my campground workshop. So not as cozy as the Back 40, but very practical. See you soon.